There's a reason 1.4 million people come to New Orleans during Mardi Gras season each year. And just remember, every single parade is different with unique themes.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B, and today is Mardi Gras season here in Louisiana. And I'm here in New Orleans right now in Uptown. We're about to go check out some Mardi Gras. Let's go.
So this Friday night, I went down to New Orleans and I went to 3 parades. And the parade started around 6 and it did not end until, well after 11 because they were still going when I left. In this video, you're going to see parts of two of the 3 parades. You'll see parts of the Oshun parade, which was the first one, and the 3rd parade, the Alla Parade. The 2nd parade I'm saving for my next video coming out on Friday. But you'll see 2 or 3 parades. So if you haven't been to New Orleans to Mardi Gras, or you haven't been in a really long time, I hope you enjoy this video and you really get to see what some of that experience is like. So we're going to show you parade footage right here. So without further ado, no more talking from me. Enjoy the video.
folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace! And Mardi Gras. Lots and lots of fun.
Thank you so much for watching all the way through. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave any comments below. I love to interact and help us to continue to grow as a travel community.